Good afternoon, everybody. Here we all have come for the live session today. Can you all hear me? I hope I am audible. Okay. So, a warm welcome to one and all. A very good afternoon. And I am Dr. Mitali More. On behalf of Skill Connect and Skill Associates, we have launched a series under Skill Get, named as Entrepreneurship Series 1.0. This series will focus on the skill sets developed by the women entrepreneurs that they can share through the experiences to all of us, all the audience over here, and we will get to learn a lot from the experiences got by these women entrepreneurs. So every day we have different sector coming up with the women entrepreneurs, which are the lead startups from fashion, fabric, food, etc. So today we have amongst us the queen of jewelry, Shamika Kulkarni, who is running the brand Ifulge, and we are going to learn more about it. So I welcome Shamika. Shamika,
Hi,
welcome on behalf of
thank
Skill
you so
Connect and
much.
Associate and Skill Get
Mhm.
Entrepreneurship Series 1.0.
Okay, thank you.
So shall we start the interview?
Yeah, sure, absolutely.
Okay. So Shamika, I would like to know more about yourself. So please tell us something more about you, as in Shamika first.
Okay, actually, I did my graduation in commerce, and after which I started with my career itself. I started doing job in a interior designing firm. Later on, I was offered a job by DSK Toyota. And while working there, then I decided to go for one more course that is PGDBM in branding
Okay.
because it fascinates me very much. So I went for that course and I did my job also. After I completed the course and after I left the job of Toyota, I joined a construction firm and it had a 1 hour lunch break, something like that. So I joined one more course during that, and it was jewelry designing. So it was
Okay.
just my
Great.
passion, and it
Mhm.
was not like I was going to pursue any career in that. Because after construction line, I switched on to education line. I worked in overseas education, where I used to teach IELTS, that is International English Language Testing System, and I used to counsel students for going abroad and in various universities, various countries, and it was going nice. Then I got married, and almost for 13 years I was housewife.
Oh,
And it really felt bad when I used to write in the column of my child's form that mother's occupation, housewife, because I knew my caliber and it was popping out that I wanted to do something. And one fine day, my elder son Ahan, during cleaning some cupboard, he found one big bag. And he said, "What does it contain?" I said that I guess it has my jewelry designing material. So he said, "Mama, why don't you do it?" I said that it's long back and I don't know if I could remember it or not. He said, "Just do it." Then I did my first 2 or 3 sets, and they were admired by people so much that I got my first order. It was
okay.
from Ram Mandir
Achha.
in Pune, as well as Ram
Yes.
Mandir in a village that is Girvi.
Okay.
So I made ornaments for Ram, Lakshman, and Sita. And
Wow.
there I started, and it was a no looking back then.
Great. Great. It is such a inspiring story that you again felt coming back to the industry and after taking such a long
Yes.
break, but you never regretted for that. So it is such a wonderful
Yeah,
story. And how did
right.
when I heard about the brand Effulge, it is the name itself is very attractive. So what does the name mean,
Okay.
and how did this story of Effulge start?
Okay. Actually, effulge means glitter or shine. And
Okay.
the story started like, I started my jewelry page with the name Shamika's Jewelry. But when people started searching my jewelry, like there were many Shamikas and they were doing the same thing. So my husband, Mr. Anirudh Kulkarni, he's a builder. So he insisted that you go for a thorough, systematic way of starting a business. Then I hired services from CS, and I got my logo registered under the trademark and all. And then it started. But it was a huge process because there were 12 to 15 names, and which we shortlisted. And we have to go through that procedure of getting trademark registered. Like people already have that name, and if we go for the same name, then again you have to switch for the whole procedure.
Right.
So in this way, we got this Effulge name, and I started it in very small scale first. But my basic concept was clear that I wanted to give something unique to ladies. I mean
Okay.
that I always had a dream. Like, I used to watch one program that is custom made for Veer Sanghvi. And I used to think like, oh, he's so lucky to have customized designs and everything. So that day, I thought that why not give every woman this, feeling of having customized jewelry. And
Right.
that's how I started this. Because at Effulge, you don't have, similar designs. If you go to any shop, you can ask for like, I want a blue color in this pattern. But at Effulge, we don't have like that. We have single pieces. These are masterpieces, designer pieces.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So as the name of Effulge is glitter, as you said. So the jewelry
Yes.
itself speaks. And I'm so sorry, there is some noise behind me. So if you can hear me clearly,
Yeah, I can hear you properly.
because there is some construction work going on. So,
Okay.
coming back to our question, the brand
Mm-hmm.
Effulge, as you said, that it is all about glitter. So the jewelry designs itself,
Mm-hmm.
speaks, and you are talking about the customization of
Mm-hmm.
jewelry. That is as per the customer's interest and his liking, his or her liking. You
Right.
have the
Absolutely.
jewelry also.
Mm-hmm.
So there are some beautiful designs that you can see it on slide. So I'm going to come up to the product range also. I'm just very busy in watching these
Okay.
all beautiful designs that are being placed on the slide.
Thank you.
So can you tell me something
Yes.
more about the product range that you have?
Actually, people have a misconception. Like, if there is a designer jewelry, it's going to be very expensive and all. Basically, touch wood that I have a nice financial support, and it's not like, I have dependence on my income. So, I can concentrate on quality of products which I'm giving. And also, I love the happiness customers have when they get designer pieces in such a reasonable rates or decent rates.
Hmm.
So at Eiffel, jewelry starts at 100 rupees itself, and
Okay, great.
it goes on. So we have entered into gold and silver market as well. So sky's the limit over there. But
Right. Right.
in imitation or costume jewelry, it starts from 100 rupees.
Mhm.
Also, we have alternative I can suggest, that is, you can give us a range if you are having any upcoming event, and you want a certain return gifts, and you can specify that this is my range, desired range, and can
Mhm.
you design something for me in this specific range. So we
Mhm.
can do in that way as well.
Okay, so that's great. I would like to tell the audience about this, that the customized jewelry at Effulge is available right from rupees 100. So it is really
Yes,
a great deal. And you also told me that how do you customize these type of jewelry sets? Can you would you
yes,
tell me about this set that is being displayed on the slide? It seems to be a traditional design in your set.
yes. Actually, there are 2 or 3 wedding coming up in my family itself, and the girls want, like, something which they can wear afterwards also. Means
Right.
if you can see this necklace, that you can wear it on wedding day also, and you can wear it afterwards on lehengas, or even on Punjabi suits and all,
Mhm.
traditional type. So it's not more heavy, and she
Hmm.
can carry it very well.
It is truly a adorable design, and I'm sure
Thank you.
the princess would have loved it.
Yes.
The next design that I could see it on my slide is, I think it is for some of the traditional event
Yes,
happening.
she's the would-be bride, and it's
Okay,
a typical haldi flower
okay,
jewelry for haldi ceremony.
okay,
And this was also customized for her.
okay. So what is the
Yes.
material that is being used for this jewelry making?
Uh, it's a foam,
Okay,
pink color foam. Yes,
okay.
and the
It looks
strings are
beautiful.
pearls.
Okay. Looks
Yes.
very sober and beautiful. And the girl is also looking beautiful in that jewelry. So in the real
Yes.
sense, you make a difference in the customer. Okay.
Yeah, over here you can see Mitali, the lady, she's owner of PR events.
Okay.
She's Poonam Chauhan, and her husband gifted this set to her
Okay.
on their first anniversary at Goa.
Acha.
So
Beautiful.
she sent me this photo that your set made my day, and I'm very happy to have
Truly.
it.
True, true, true. Because many of the time jewelry makes, it creates a deep impression in your mind. Yes. And it is also
Yes,
being said that
definitely. It
make
expresses your feelings.
right. True, true. And it is somewhere stored in your memories, so it is very beautiful, contributing from your side also, that
Yes,
is from Upal's side,
right.
for the customer's memory. So it is also said that make a jewelry contact first before the eye contact, it is being said. So for the ladies,
Right.
usually the contact is first made with the jewelry, and you take it over. Here also I have some jewelry
Yes.
designs that we can show it to our audience.
Yes.
So these are the
This
customized
is
made designs for you again.
yes, this is fabric jewelry. We have introduced it lately only, and we have designers for this fabric jewelry and silk thread jewelry. So I've hired
Okay.
some jewelry designers for this.
Okay, okay. So from your
Yes.
end, you give them the designs and they design it for you.
Yes, they design it only for Refulge, this particular designs.
Okay, great, great. This is again
Yes, they
one
work for
antique
us.
type design, Kundan it seems.
Yes, it is Kundan.
Okay,
And the
great.
green beads, those which you can look, they are glass beads. They are called as
Okay,
football beads because they are having that football dimensions on it. So
okay,
actually, it is not visible right now, but when you take it in your hand, it has beautiful dimensions on that glass,
okay.
and it looks wonderful.
So what is exactly a difference between the bids? Like you said, it is a glass bid. So what is the difference between the
Yes.
glass bids and the
So
plastic bids?
the basic differences of money or price, you can say. Similar looking beads. Most of the times, people come to me saying that I've seen same set at some XYZ place and it was for so and so, and you're having it at a bit costlier range. So I have here with me the example for that
Okay,
because
wonderful.
then
You
what
can
I
stop
did
the
is,
screen sharing. Just give me a minute, Shamika. I'll stop the screen
sure,
sharing so that all the viewers
okay,
can enjoy the designs. We are very fond of that. Yes, please go ahead.
okay. See. This is the one I got it from, a market, and
Okay.
you can see that the quality,
Mhm.
the even color of pearls, it is not
Right.
that great.
Mhm.
And I don't say that because everyone cannot afford, the original ones,
Right.
but I'm telling this because of the price difference
Okay.
that it makes a huge price difference because real pearls or semi-precious pearls they cost you much more and that's why we have to charge it high.
Right.
And this is my jewelry. You can have a look at it.
Yes.
You can see the color of pearls and
Okay.
the CZ, stones.
Mhm.
So
This
it
is
makes a
again
lot
one
of
of the
difference.
traditional jewelry design, no? Maharashtrian traditional jewelry design.
Yes, Maharashtrian traditional design. It is called as chins peti.
Okay. Okay. So the
Yes.
pearls, I think we as a layman cannot
Yes,
make out
even
the
you can,
difference.
right, even the dories you can see. This dory, the dory itself will cost you 50 rupees almost. And over
Okay.
here, it's a simple one, you know, and uh, it comes for around 5 to 10 rupees.
Okay.
So, like this only, it starts getting, over
Mhm.
here, I have one more piece. From far away, you can feel like, it's wonderful and all.
Yes.
But
Yes.
over here, if you get a close view of it, it's just thread. And
Okay.
it is stick to it with a fabric glue, which is not at all
Okay.
durable. Also, the beads which are, used over here, These are
Hmm.
plastic beads. You can
Acha.
just make out it.
Okay. Okay.
While as over here we have another beads. It is also a customized one, and these are glass beads. These are heavy, and
Okay.
you can make it out.
Okay.
Actually,
Good.
I have uh, one more thing to show you. Like, these are the glass beads, broken one. And if
Okay.
you can see, the color inside is the same thing. While as if
Okay.
it's a imitation or if it's a plastic bead, the color is different from inside, and they just have a plastic cover on it of that particular color. Like this also. This
Okay.
is a
Okay.
perfect glass bead. It is broken.
So any
So,
common person can make out a difference out of it. Then.
yes, you
Yeah.
can make out a difference definitely. Like, even the strings used to tie it.
Mm-hmm.
Some of them are rubber ones. So
Mm-hmm.
again, these are not durable. You can see the
Okay.
beads used are fiber beads, sorry, fiber beads, and they are not at all expensive. Also, they don't lose the polish because they are fiber beads. But while
Okay.
as if you go for a metal bead, after some days it may lose its polish if it comes in contact with perfume or this also water moisture.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So it loses that attractive this thing, appearance. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Also,
Good. Good.
screws used for the earrings, you can say. So even this is very important. They what they do is they are just jelly-like structures of plastic. They just
Mm-hmm.
stick to it, and it is not durable. Sometimes it may break the this string of earring.
Okay.
So it is very important to have a nice screws also for that.
I never knew that jewelry has such a minute, observation and a study part
Yes.
also. That.
Also, if it is a glass bead, then you have to count the glass beads.
Okay.
Sometimes what they do is they insert spacers. Like you over here, you can see this is a spacer,
Okay.
and if they include more spacers, the glass beads which are required they become
Right.
less in
They
quantity,
will fall short.
and
Yes.
that's why it again affects the cost. Also, packaging is very important. When you give it as a gift or as usually if you're giving it to a customer also, it should
Mm-hmm.
be very well packed because they are taking something of their desire, they're very
Right.
fond of, and
Right.
we are born to give them best, I
True.
can
True.
say.
Right.
So that
And it
also
should be
affects
a,
them.
right. It
Right.
should be a good feeling for the business person also to
Yes,
serve the
yes,
customer,
yes,
and for the customer also to get that packet in their hand or even gift it to somebody.
yes,
It is also a great feeling.
right.
Very true. Very true. So I think you are
Hmm.
from this brand background and the marketing and advertisement background, and that is why you are
Hmm.
studying the minutest details in the in your business also, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
right.
Good, good. Very nice. So this is what is the
Mhm.
product range you have, traditional jewelry you have. Then
Right.
about bit you have given us fantastic information. So I think now
Hmm.
onwards when I'm going to select the malas for me, I would be seeing first it is plastic or glass, and I would weigh
Yes,
them. And if it is going to
right.
be whatever I have learned from you today. So every piece of
Great.
jewelry tells a story, and you have a story for every piece. Okay, which
Yes.
is so good. I'll again share the screen for showing some more designs. Okay, so Nali had a question on screen if you
Hmm.
can see that what is the material that you use. So you have told me about beads. Can you tell me more about
Yes.
strings in which the beads are being
Okay.
put?
Yes. Over here, this is made by me, and you can see it's in a metal wire.
Okay.
Uh, okay. It is handcrafted. Also, I'll show you one more over here. It's a beautiful pearl necklace, and
Okay.
it's with a unique lock also.
Small pendant.
Yes, it's like this. And the material I've used for string, it's a gear wire.
Okay.
So it is, more strength. It's of more strength.
Uh, okay.
Yes.
It will be
And
more
it gives
durable
a
also.
nice look as well.
Mm-hmm.
It comes in two colors, silver and golden, and you can choose as per your requirement.
Great. It can be worn on the
Yes.
traditional or otherwise also. It looks really elegant.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Beautiful. Okay. So, Shamika, tell me something about the specific product range that Eiffage has that the other jewelry brand does not have. Or I, as a customer, why I should choose Eiffage.
Yes, I'll just show you. So I'll show you the best and the cheapest product also.
I
It's a
think I
pearl
should,
necklace.
Shamika, I think I should visit your house, at the earliest because I can
Yes.
see a lot of stock there.
Yes.
Okay.
See, this is a kind of pearl necklace, and it comes for 250 rupees
Okay. Wow.
with earrings.
Okay.
So
Looks very good.
here is the earring, and this is the necklace. So these
So,
are glass beads. You can feel them and you
very
can weigh
pretty.
them.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So we take care of everything. Like, we understand that if a lady is office going lady, then she needs a variety of products. So she cannot invest in a single product, which is very expensive.
True.
So we usually consider that aspect, and we design the products or sets or whatever she wants in such a way that it is affordable for her, as well as she can wear it on maximum outfits as well.
True.
Over
True.
here, again, I have some different piece to show you.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, these are the earrings. It's a designer piece. This is
Okay.
CZ jewelry. These diamonds are like, export quality diamonds. They are not real diamonds. They are crystals itself, or American diamonds, you can say. But they are of export quality. And while making them, silver and copper are mixed together. So over
Okay.
here is the piece you
This
can
is a
see,
lovely
and
color.
these all are glass beads, glass pearls, you can say.
Lovely.
So we have such kind of statement pieces.
Okay. So you can customize
And
it as per the requirement, right?
yes, yes,
So anybody who wants
definitely.
any such kind of bids with any such kind of shape and with any such
Hmm.
kind of elements that are there with you, so they can just customize it
Yes,
for as per their interest, and they can get it
right,
from you, right?
right.
Beautiful, lovely.
Yes. And we have a silver range. Again, we have used the CZ pendants
Hmm.
for silver thing.
Okay,
It's a silver chain, pure silver. And you can see this.
very nice.
Yes. So we have everything for everyone over here. And I would like to launch my jewelry for men through
Yeah,
the
yes,
medium of this interview.
yes, yes, yes.
So
So I would
just
like
I
to tell
sh
it to the audience as well that because this interview was being planned on this day, and she is planning to
yes,
launch her men's jewelry. Okay,
yes.
so what she has prepared, I will just
So
share the screen. I have a small photo. I'll just
okay,
share it quickly.
yes.
This is your
He's my
son who
son,
is wearing this
Agastya.
today.
Yes, and he's wearing the same jewelry which I made. These are real pearls and real glass beads which are hand
Okay,
woven,
acha.
so that he
I
don't
think
have any rashes or anything,
mhm.
And we take into consideration, like, when men are going to buy the jewelry, they're going to wear it very rarely.
True.
So here, what we are doing is, we are trying to, you know, make some earrings also for this. See, this is a men's jewelry, and
Okay,
today, yeah,
beautiful. So you are
it's a
launching it on this
kundan
occasion.
piece. Yes, I'm launching it on your interview, Mitali.
Very nice, very nice. So men can wear it on sherwani or any traditional wear that they have,
Yes, and
even
also
if it is
women
not
can wear them.
beautiful.
Yes, you can call it a unisex jewelry.
This is a very beautiful idea, Shamika, you have given me. I will purchase it for my husband and
Yes,
later on I am going to wear it.
yes, that's a nice
What
idea.
a beautiful idea you have given me. Okay. On this
And
occasion, we have got
Mitali,
this design.
I have something for your little princess also.
Okay.
Actually, I customize the designs for little princess. You know,
Okay.
for it will fit exactly their size.
Uh-huh.
They don't have to carry, huge necklaces which mom wears, and they have to use safety pin to make it,
True, true.
perfect for size. So I
Right.
truly customize it for them. Over here, you can see I'm having one bindi customized for a 11-year-old girl.
Okay.
So it's a
Very
mang
nice.
tika.
Okay.
Yes.
So in the middle there is a red stone and surrounding to it is
Yes.
a white crystal. Okay.
Yes.
Beautiful. Very nice design. It is.
Thank
Because
you.
usually it happens, no, the youngsters do not wear the traditional designs that are
Right.
available in moms and grandmothers. So this is a
Yeah,
beautiful
actually,
design.
this is because, most of the girls, they do have the dance classes and all, and they can wear these kind of jewelry over there.
Right, right, right.
Yes.
Very nice. So it is really unique in itself, and I must tell all the audience that they should visit Ifals at least once, so that they will keep on visiting. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So you told me about your unique selling proposition as such. Now, can
Hmm.
you share with us your digital presence? Because you are digitally there, and you seem to be a
Yes.
upcoming brand in jewelry designs. So how did you create your digital presence here?
See, Mitali, just as I told you that I have done my DBM in branding itself. So I studied first that what it should be exactly. Like, out of the sight is out of the mind. So as soon as I get any free time, I make lots of ads, and I schedule them on Facebook or Insta. And every day, I make sure every day there is some or the other ad of Ifalj on social media. Also, while doing this on Instagram, I've made sure that it is my truly professional account, and
Mhm.
there are no friends in it and nothing like that. I usually follow only those people who are motivation for me, like Sabyasachi and Tarun Tahliani, Manish Malhotra, whose posts keep on coming and they inspire me a lot then.
Okay. We can see some of the flyers made by Shamika and her team, and it
Yes.
is just beautiful, very attractive. The bids can be seen
Yes.
in all the pictures, so that the people feel like buying them. This is also one of the beautiful design I can see. So which is this stone which is there,
Yes, this is
Shamika?
actually it's a thermo milestone, and
Okay,
it's very heavy. So it
okay,
is used only a single piece in a necklace.
okay.
And you can see it's a just a fine, beautiful chain. So it's
Yes, yes.
perfectly suitable for youngsters.
Okay. And this necklace comes with a
Yeah.
earring as well, the stone
Yeah,
earring.
earring as well, but it's optional because sometimes in young girls they don't use imitation jewelry in
True,
ear. They have those
true.
fixed, rings of gold or silver in that.
Right, right. So what
But
is
if
the
they want,
range
we
of
can
this
definitely
necklace?
give them a earring.
Okay, okay. What is the range of this necklace?
Earrings,
It is
we can customize it.
okay.
Actually, it's Myra necklace. It gives a young feeling, and it is suitable on jeans, western clothes, and also a kurti with legging.
Mm, okay, it's just beautiful. One more thing is I would like to congratulate for the award that you have recently got. So that is the
Yes,
Business Excellence Award.
yeah, it's
And I
here.
show the picture also.
Right.
Please show us the award as well and tell us the story behind it. I really want to know that.
Okay. Here is my award. And actually, Mitali, the story behind it is very funny. Uh, when Ifalj was, 1 year old, I got a nomination for an award, and I was okay. I did not even display it on my social media.
Mhm.
But this time again, I received a mail saying that you are nominated for a, Business Excellence Award, that is Emerging Entrepreneur of the Year.
Okay.
And I was like, it was at Nashik, and I was not sure that if it is real or not. So I said that I thought that spending so much amount visiting over there, and if it is not real, or if I don't get about, then it will be a waste of time and money as well. So I
Okay.
said that if I get the award, send it by courier, and it
Okay.
actually came by courier to me.
My God. So the
But
I tell you,
I missed the
Shamika,
opportunity.
the leaders and the legends always get this kind of experiences. I tell you that even they say that I am not going to come, I am not going to receive this award, but still the people want to give it to you because they know you are the
Yeah,
perfect.
because they selected me because because of my digital excellence as well,
Right.
and the uniqueness in designs. For 2 consecutive years, I have maintained the uniqueness. No design is repeated, like a same piece in different color or something like that. So it was given for that.
Okay. So, Shamika, tell me if I visit you as a customer, then do you have
Mm-hmm.
some kind of catalogs to be seen by me? Because as such, I won't be going
Not
through
only
some other things.
catalogs, Mitali, I have some range made for busy buyers. There
Okay.
are your professional ladies and working ladies basically who are always in hurry and they just want to come, drop
True.
in over there, and what is ready with you, just let me know. So I have to keep some slot ready also from which they can make a choice. And if they are not convinced or they are not happy with the stock which I have, I customize for them.
True.
So
So
this is
that
how
is the
it
thing for
works.
me also. I'm not that jewelry
Yes.
freak or that kind of
Okay.
accessory women. So I'll just I will just start for my office, and while transiting, I'll just wear my earrings and the necklace or whatever I have.
Oh.
So I want to ask you personally, or I don't know if our audience would also have the same question. That what is the
Mhm.
kind of must have in that jewelry that every female should have it over here?
Okay. For me, if you ask that, it's a multicolor glass bead thing, which it's like you just grab it, you wear it, and any dress, any outfit. Over here, you
Okay,
can see
that's on any
pearls
dress.
and
Okay,
glass beads. These are of multicolor. These are used.
very
So you can
nice.
just grab it on any outfit. Then we have silver collection. Over here, I have made this customized piece. You can see these, one side is made up of semi-precious stones, and
Mm-hmm.
one side is made up of a silver chain. And over here, there are two pearls. They are real pearls.
This is also
And
beautiful.
yes, so these kind of
Yeah,
something, silver in silver and all. So it's
this
a
can go
must
on any
have.
outfit. Yes, yes.
Yes,
And it will also look beautiful. Like it is a
yes,
designer piece.
definitely.
It will look like.
And in traditional, I would suggest that Tanmani. It's Maharashtra's shan, you can say. So here I have.
Yeah, very nice. Yes.
So for traditional outfits and all, also for Punjabi wear and all, you can wear this Tanmani very well. It
Okay.
goes with it.
Great. And you can also customize it. Like if somebody wants
Yes,
completely black, so you can give it that way.
yes.
Black, gray, the shades
Yes,
of.
and also, Mitali, if you visit my Facebook page, you will find out that over here, usually Tanmani means 3 lines of pearls. But over there, I have used hand woven chain of pearls, which
Oh,
is again very beautiful. I don't have that piece because I've sold it, but you can have a gleam of it on my Facebook page.
okay, okay. So I will tell the audience that whenever Shamika puts any kind of design, you have to grab it at the
Yes,
earliest. Okay, leaving all
yes,
your important work aside. Otherwise, the next day you will see the flyer, it is being sold. Okay, that is
yes.
what is the experience. So I will tell it to all the audience. Now, coming at the
Mhm,
end of this interview, I would like to ask
mhm.
you to drop some kind of message for our women entrepreneurs. You have been learned so much in your business. You have got a great
Yes,
experience throughout your business. So, can you
right.
just tell some tips and tricks for our women entrepreneurs?
Sure. I would suggest them that while you are doing business, So make sure that you provide opportunity of doing business to others also. Like in Ifulge, we provide franchisee opportunities. You can get a franchisee from us and you can sell it further. So just like that, when I'm doing my business, I can take along with me some more ladies. Some more
Okay.
ladies can be independent, like and while doing business, just be genuine. Doesn't look here and there like someone is selling so cheap and all. I've personally purchased those products which are cheaper and they are with me. I'm not going to sell them to anyone. But we are not that kind of person. People
Right.
should remember us with our quality and not by price.
True. True.
So,
That is such a great philosophy. I mean, your business
yes.
can only expand by this kind of.
Yes, and you can also, if person is willing to work with you, you can also teach them. Just
Right.
like at IFLG, we have started online courses
Okay.
where if you really want to do jewelry designing, we have a course, advanced
Okay.
course of a jewelry designer, which not
Mhm.
only includes practicals, which also includes theory. And
Okay.
right from it has like having advanced designs and printing and stationery, branding, packaging, after sales, marketing and sales, decision making, planning, everything is included in it. It has an exam of practical, oral and theory, and after that as a project submission you have to give us a portfolio. So over here again, we are providing job opportunities to other women. Like, some may be teaching and some may be upcoming jewelry designers who will learn jewelry designing from us.
Okay.
So we
It
can,
sounds
sky is
great.
the limit for us. Yes.
True, true. And it sounds really great coming from the academia background. That kind of
Mhm.
development happens all together. So it
Yes.
should happen
Yes, yes.
overall. And you are not only
Mhm.
giving the product training to the ladies, but you are also training them on
Yes.
the brand and the actual, the brand
Yes.
philosophy. So which is
Because the
really,
thing,
really good.
Mitali, when we learn jewelry designing or something like that, it's like 1 or 2 months, like relatives or friends will pour in and buy jewelry from you. And
Absolutely.
after that, you will feel like lost that what am I doing? I don't
Very
have
true.
any customer. And then you get depressed. So if you do
True.
it systematically from starting itself, then it would be, it's a steady business for you. Of course, there will be ups and downs in, because of this corona and lockdown.
Hmm.
Even we faced it. But if you go thoroughly following our course, then I don't think there would be any issue for you.
Right, right. So I would like to
Mhm.
tell to our audience as well that whosoever is interested in doing a jewelry design course, please approach Samika. I will be also putting her number in the chat box so
Yes.
that you can personally go and meet her and understand the
Mhm.
philosophy of running a business to start an
Mhm.
establishment. And even if you are interested in reselling or
Yes.
having a franchise for Repulse, you can also start doing that. So this is one of
Yes.
the appeal that Shamika is putting up to us, and it is
Mhm.
really good. And you are doing a great work, Shamika, I must say.
Thank
And
you.
congratulations for whatever you have gone up till now, and wishing you all
Thank
the
you
best
so
for all
much.
your future endeavors. And come up with
Yes.
more good designs, and we will be surely
Yes.
visiting you at the latest. And
Definitely.
you have given a beautiful message to our women entrepreneurs as well. So here
Mhm.
we would end the interview because we are running short
Yes.
of time
Thank you
again.
so much.
Thank you so much for being there in the studio and guiding our entrepreneurs and all the audience out here. Thank you so much,
I
Shamika.
loved it. I loved it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.